This year's state championship team at North Division 1, O'Clair Memorial. Alana Smith. Anna Rossi. Zoe Smith. Sophia Smith. Carrie Butcher. Assistant coach Angie Rush and head coach Mark Johnson. Congratulations to the Division I state champion.